Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed that as much as I enjoyed filming that, because that was just the ultimate relaxing like intro I've ever seen. And I feel like I've been wanting to do this for a while now, just a really calming, relaxing morning routine, some self-love, and share with you kind of what I do, the simplest of things in the morning of what just makes me happy and motivates me. So I feel like right now more than ever I need that for myself, and to have that boost of energy in the morning, getting up a little bit earlier, making myself breakfast, eggs, getting that protein in, drinking a lot of water, having myself a cup of tea in a cute little mug that makes me happy. You know, it's just the simple things, and I feel like doing everything that I've been doing the last week has been really helping my mood. And obviously, if you guys follow me on Instagram, you already know I'm PMSing right now, so not always fun when you're at home quarantined. So I've been trying to film as much as possible and just, you know, dressing up, wearing rompers and throwing my wigs on, throwing my lashes on, doing my makeup. These things will really, really help you. And if you're like me, I always love to be doing something. Like, I am constantly moving, and I feel like sometimes I just have to slow down and relax, take it easy. So that's what I wanted to do in today's vlog, and there my camera goes, getting bright again. The sun is coming out. But I just wanted to do a little like ASMR, like a little relaxation like that, because I've been watching a lot of videos and like mukbangs lately, and I'm not sure why. I never really have before, but they're really addicting to watch. So I just thought it'd be fun to do one, and it kind of was. So I hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, let me know. I just wanted to kind of come on here and chat with you guys since it is a vlog, and ask how you're doing. Let me know in the comments. Are you keeping busy? What kind of morning routine are you doing? Are you kind of feeling like unmotivated right now? I know I go through times just like right now. My camera is playing tricks on me. But whenever it's sunny, it gets really bright, and then it kind of sets off my camera. So yeah, let me know if you guys have been trying to stay motivated. I know I go through my days and my moods of just being but I feel like if I'm doing things I'm passionate about, like filming and working on new products, which I have been, and I have something launching soon and I'm really excited. I was gonna postpone it longer, but I'm like, you know what? I need some positivity in my life, and I just want to keep going, you know? So I really recommend just doing the things you love. And for me, something I've been trying to work on is working out. So this mama has not been working out in a long time, because I feel like I've always felt like my daily routine has been a workout enough, because I'm constantly holding the girls and running around, but I feel like it's not enough. I feel like I need that time to myself, which is most important, and I never realized that before. But working out on my own, throwing on some music or a podcast, and it's completely different. It's not like running around the house with the girls kicking balls around. So I definitely have been trying to do 10 minutes a day, just to boost my mood more than anything, and just stretching. That's also something. Yes, when I wake up in the mornings, my body cracks like an old lady, and Ryan makes fun of me, but it's the dead truth right now. I just need to work out for 5 or 10 minutes a day and just stretch my body out. So I also find that our sauna really helps as well. And I feel like trying to do that at least once every night or every second night. And I know with my hair condition, if you are worried, you can wrap a towel around your head or get like a hair cap. So that's also a nice idea if you were ever thinking of getting one, or going to one after all of this. You know, once we're able to go outside and do normal things again, of course. It's gonna be exciting. I feel like even like going to get my nails done will be exciting for me, because this is not exciting. I feel like I'm constantly trying to like hide them in my videos, if you've noticed, but what can you do? And I'm wearing this cute romper. I don't know if you guys remember, I actually wore this cute little romper when I did my pregnancy announcement video. So if you guys remember that a long time ago, I actually wore this when I announced it. So I just thought that it would be fun, like, to throw this on again. I'm very like sentimental like that. I'll remember things, you know, like if I put on a handbag, I remember when I got it, I remember what trip it was, and I'm kind of like that with everything. This is the only time I hate the sun, whenever I'm filming, but I am just so thrilled for our new home, you guys. I cannot wait to do the full home tour and tell you more once we get there, but obviously it's a little bit of a waiting game right now, but it'll be soon, and I can hear the girls downstairs right now. But I basically just wanted to talk a little bit, and these are my favorite parts of filming is just kind of chatting with you and sitting down. So let me know how you've been. I'd love to hear from you in the comments. You already know I respond as much and as often as I can. And I think the other day I got back to like 300 comments, and that's another thing I do that kind of relaxes me. And I know being on my phone is not relaxing, but I feel like communicating with you guys is relaxing. So yeah, and you know, if there's any advice for people that have been wanting to start a channel, start now. There's no better time than when you're at home and you're feeling unmotivated. Like, just pick up a camera or your phone and start filming. I feel like it'll boost your energy and your mood, and it definitely has been helping me. The other thing that I've actually been planning today, and I have a ton of stuff on my chair right now. I don't know if you guys know what I'm filming, but something to do with Amazon. I'm very excited. But I just thought I would round up all of my favorite Amazon things and share with you a super girly like video on what you need from Amazon, because I would say like 50% of our house is from Amazon, and it's pretty crazy, but I'm on there all the time. So that is just a video I thought I would do. And also I'm planning my 250K giveaway. So that is also something I want to make special, and it'll be a very big giveaway, so get ready for that. But yeah, just wanted to hop on here, do a fun, different sort of relaxing morning routine with you, and just let you guys know that I'm so appreciative of all of your support and love, and I hope you are doing well and just trying to, you know, remember all of the things that make us happy, and obviously staying healthy, thinking about your family, your loved ones, and also about everyone else, because everyone else is going through the same things we are right now. I have been adjusting this camera like crazy this morning, but I am about to film my next video, and I hope you guys have an amazing morning, have some zen, and do things you love. Try to be passionate, keep that passion high, and motivate yourself in any ways possible that you can think of. For me, it's little things. And I feel like just soaking my feet in the tub and doing bath salts, exfoliating my body, doing my skincare, making some eggs, having some tea. That's what makes me happy. So I feel like just the small things have been really doing a lot for me. So yeah, anyways, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you want to see more of this like ASMR kind of style, let me know. I'm trying to whisper. But yeah, I hope you guys have an awesome week. Try to stay positive, and of course I will see you guys in my next video.